Welcome to the Stamp Shop Manager tutorial on reconciling checking accounts. To reconcile a checking account is very simple. It can be done one of a few ways. You can either access reconciliation by clicking on Banking and then choosing Bank Reconciliation, or if you prefer to click on the menu bars, you can click on Accounting and then Bank Reconciliation. Either way is going to bring us to the Bank Reconciliation screen. At this point, I will choose which checking account I wish to reconcile. In this case, we will choose the main checking account. And the date of the reconciliation. At the bottom, I'm going to enter what the bank balance is according to the bank statement. Now I will go through and select each item that has cleared. On the left, we have checks and payments. On the right, we have deposits and credits. I can also use the Select All button to select all payments and a Select All button to select all the deposits. In this case, my statement balance from the bank equals what is here. Therefore, I have an unreconciled balance difference of $0. In other words, they're equal. Then I simply go to the top and click the Reconcile button. Once I click the Reconcile button, it'll ask me for confirmation that I want to go ahead and do that. I click Yes. It'll take a moment depending upon how many transactions there are. And the system will go through and mark each of these deposits and checks as having cleared. Once that is done, you'll receive a notification that everything was reconciled successfully, and I click OK. Then we're offered to print the bank reconciliation report. We can choose yes or no. In this case, I will choose yes, and I'll be presented with the bank reconciliation report. I'm going to print to the screen just so we can see it, and sure enough, we're presented with all of the information, what the payments, what the deposits were. In this case, it's a 17-page report. And that's all that's required to reconcile your bank account.